is our Gumball sorter and dispenser. It sorts gumballs by color with an RGB color sensor.
So the system starts off, normally we'd have like a hopper up here for a bigger industrial thing that would hold all the gumballs. The color sensor is an RGB sensor that senses incident light on the array of photodiodes. So right now it's sensing the green and purple, so purple is going to this side, green is going to this side. We made a for loop in our code where we take like 10 readings, and based on those 10 readings, we take an average of those values. That average tells us if it's what color it is, and then it tells the motor, the servo motor, to go to one side or the other based on that color reading.
The device is able to sort green and purple together or blue and red together, so we're doing green and purple right now. So we're going to go to the green and purple dispensing mode, and that just like limits the options. It makes it where you can't select red or blue.
We have a pin controlling it knows how many gumballs we have on each side, so that allows you to only dispense that many gumballs on each side.
It says 1/4 inserted. And then you select your color. We don't have it identified on here right now, but the top is the green, the bottom's purple, left is red, and right is blue. And so since we're in the green-purple mode, if you try and select red or blue, it says red not available, it changes to red. Blue not available. So the only two available right now are the green and purple. So if we go to green, it will spit out the green gumball and make the sound. As we hit purple, it's going to change to the purple color and display the color of the gumball you selected, and then it does a little celebration changing through all the colors.
So we'll go ahead and show that when it's empty, the device does know that it's empty and it won't let you waste a quarter by putting a quarter in there.
And then if you go to insert another quarter, green's obviously not available anymore. We've used up all 3 of those. If you try and select green, it now says green not available.
So the RGB sensor right now has 4 white LEDs with a photodiode array in the center that's sensing the incident color on that sensor. The sensor converts it to binary numbers representing a red value, a green value, and a blue value.
Alright, so inside it's powered by an Arduino Uno and then 4-pick microcontrollers. Below is the coin acceptor, and then we have 2 12-volt solenoids.
And so for the power source, it's just you plug it into an outlet and you have your 12 volts coming into our main breadboard there, regulated down to 5 volts. So we use both the 12 volts for solenoids, coin acceptor, and the 5 volts for just about everything else.
So we have a servo, it's got a 180-degree span, so we go ahead and we set it at 90 degrees and basically run it. And whenever, after it takes the averages of the color values, basically we tell it it runs to either 60 degrees one way or 60 degrees the other way and drops the gumball.